Did you know that with just two phrases, there is and there are, you can describe quantities and locations of things in English? So stick with me and we will go through many exercises so you can get a better understanding of these concepts. And you will see by the end of this video, you will be able to make your own sentences. Okay, next I will explain a set of 4 simple rules to make it easier for you to understand these concepts. So the first rule is understanding how to describe one single object. For example, there's a pencil on the desk. Well, there is a cat in the garden. There is a glass on the desk. There is a flower in the vase. There is a bear in the zoo. Also, this is very important. In conversation, there is can be shortened to there's. Rule number 2. There are is used for when there's more than 2 objects. For example, there are birds in the tree. There are flowers in the garden. There are books on the shelf. There are clouds in the sky. There are kids playing outside. Rule 3. Add a or an when it's something specific, and some or a lot of when you're talking about quantities. There are some lamps on the desk. There is an orange in the basket. There are some paintings on the wall. There are a lot of chairs in the hall. There's a calendar on the fridge. And finally, you can use some, few, or a lot of if you want to add more details. There are some apples on the counter. There are a few postcards on the table. There's a lot of sunshine in the park today. There are a lot of pillows on the bed. There is some milk left in the fridge. Okay, so now let's practice what you just learned. I will give you some exercises that will help you practice. In the following sentences, choose the right word that's missing. Good. Now, in the next exercise, choose between is it one or more than one. Now correct the sentences. Is it one or more than one objects? Next, I will give you a picture, so you make the sentence for it. Okay, so thank you for watching. I will be making a video on how to ask questions with is there and are there to complement what you just learned today. In the meantime, I recommend you to learn how to explain how things work with my video on using functional phrases in English. So I'll see you in the next video.